Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into our comprehensive guide on how to attach files to Trello cards. First off, open your Trello board and locate the specific card you want to attach a file to. This step is crucial because Trello organizes your projects into cards, and to attach a file, you must first know where it belongs. Now that we've done that, click on the card to open it. Inside the card, you'll see an Add Attachment button. Click on it. The reason we do this is because we're preparing Trello to receive the file we want to attach. Next up, a new window will appear with various options for where to upload your file from. You can choose to upload from your computer, Trello, Google Drive, Dropbox, or even link directly to a URL. Select the appropriate option based on where your file is located. This helps us because it gives us flexibility in how we manage our files. Once you've selected your file, click Open, and Trello will commence the upload. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the file has been uploaded. Let me explain why this matters. This is Trello confirming that it's successfully receiving your file. Finally, once the file has finished uploading, it will appear as a thumbnail on the card. You can click on it to view or download it. You can also add a comment to provide context to your team about the file. And there you have it. That's how you attach files to Trello cards. This feature is a fantastic way to share resources with your team and keep all related content in one place. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to helping you master more Trello features in our next guide. Until then, happy Trelloing.